how to make money on eToro. So simple. I will give you a conclusion about it in 1 minute and a half, or maybe 1 minute only. So what we can see about making money. First, you need to know about the watch list. If you go to watch list on the left, okay, you go here about this kind of cryptos, or maybe about all kind of currencies. So you need to deposit first your fund, and that is really to be important and necessary. For example, you deposit 20 USD or 50 USD minimum. It's a minimum 50 USD, and then you're gonna start deposit with your credit card or any kind of payment methods like PayPal, and then we're gonna start to know what kind of cryptocurrency we have to deposit. So I suppose the gold is one of the best things to help us to deposit in, and then you're gonna start to trade. So we click on trade on the right. So we have to go for this one, because this one is really actually about. So we go for crypto here, Ethereum. So we click on that, click on trade. Now we add amount, and then we wait it if it rises, or if it's going to be done like this. So that is really my opinion through that, and that is all about right here to help you through this video.